look outside, the rain is falling down. The skies are gray and there's no one else around. The leaves are falling now to the ground. The trees, they sway but they don't make a sound outside my window. Outside my window, the days they pass on by, yesterday is gone. The bird that takes the sky now, he has flown.